Alright, we are aboard the MSC Seaside Yacht Club, room 18031. It is an interior. It's one of these funky L-shaped rooms. So as you come in, you have your coat hangers behind the door. And then again, little L-shape. So you got plenty of room in here. And a lot of room in the interior. Just to your left is your bathroom. Another decent sized bathroom. The lovely Marcia sitting here.
Hello.
Got your standard safe in the rooms. A few drawers there. Closet space. And plenty of room. Some of your interior rooms don't have this much space. Obviously this one, I'm really satisfied with this. Still got a table, 2 chairs to sit at. MSC Yacht Club. Contact Marcia if you want any other questions answered or to book a cruise with MSC or any other cruise line. Thank you.